The Sirtfood Diet and sirtuins are becoming more popular among celebrities, and as we know, whatever the stars use, others are quick to follow. Losing 3.5 kilos in a week is the slogan that made the Sirtfood Diet famous. But what exactly is it, and how do you start? This diet focuses on adding foods high in polyphenols, healthy plant compounds with antioxidant, cholesterol-lowering, and anti-cancer properties. Polyphenols, especially resveratrol, activate sirtuins, proteins in our body that slow aging and boost fat burning. The first two stages of the diet are low-calorie, which also triggers sirtuin activity. Sirt-food-friendly foods to add to your diet include apples, citrus, red wine, buckwheat, walnuts, dark chocolate, parsley, capers, berries, green tea, soy, strawberries, olive oil, red onion, and kale. The Sirtfood diet has 3 stages. Stage 1, strict, just 1,000 calories, 1 main meal, 2 to 3 green juices. Stage 2, less strict, about 1,500 calories, 2 main meals, 2 to 3 juices. Stage 3, long-term habits, no calorie restrictions, just regular use of SIRT-activating foods. Advertised rapid weight loss is mostly due to initial calorie cuts and water loss, not just fat. Later stages focus on healthy habits, not strict dieting. Remember, it's calorie restriction, not just magic foods, that drives weight loss. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more science-based nutrition facts. Got a topic idea? Let me know below.